Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends. Now again this is a problem very unique where they are asked 4 different ways of deciding the sequence of certain number of jobs that we are going to learn now. 4 methods are there and we'll learn each method. So we'll decide the sequence as per each method separately and work out the calculations. Let's see. Table shows the time remaining, that is the number of days until the due date, and the work remaining, that is the number of days work. So कितने दिन का काम बाकी है और ड्यू डेट के लिए कितना डेज और बाकी है, that is been shown by this 2 columns in the table, and these 5 jobs are assigned as the letters A to E as they arrive to the shop. Very clearly they are specified as they arrive to the shop. So जिस पोजीशन में या जिस सीक्वेंस में तुम्हारे पास वो पर्टिकुलर जॉब्स आया है उसी सीक्वेंस में उनको उन्होंने प्लेस किया और नाम दिया है A, B, C, D and E. Sequence these jobs by the priority rules. So there are 4 different priorities or 4 different rules. First is AFCFS, that is first come first serve. जो सबसे पहले आएगा उसको हम सबसे पहला सीक्वेंस देंगे, उसको हम पहला प्रेफरेंस देंगे. यहाँ पर भी वही होगा. अगर फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व मेथड होगा, अंडर दैट मेथड वी विल अरेंज द जॉब इन द गिवन सीक्वेंस इटसेल्फ. वी डिड नॉट चेंज द सीक्वेंस बिकॉज दे आर ऑलरेडी अरेंज्ड इन द सीक्वेंस इन विच दे अराइव्ड. क्लियरली क्वेश्चन में कहा गया था कि जिस सीक्वेंस में जॉब्स आया है उसी सीक्वेंस में उनको नाम दिया गया है A to E. इसलिए फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व बेसिस में हम कोई भी सीक्वेंस चेंज नहीं करेंगे. जो क्वेश्चन में सीक्वेंस दिया है उसी को फॉलो करेंगे. In the second case, they have asked us EDD, that is the earliest due date method. Under earliest due date method, we will place those jobs at the initial stage which has got the shortest due date from today. In the present case, you can see under the jobs A, B, C, D and E, सबसे कम ड्यू डेट जॉब B का है, तो हम सबसे पहले प्लेस करेंगे जॉब B. And number of days are 3. Once job B is done, the next earliest due date is 6 days for job E. Then after 6 we have 7 days for job C. Then we have 8 days for job A and 9 days for job D. So this will be the sequence. ड्यू डेट्स जैसे जैसे बढ़ते जाएगा वो हिसाब से हमने सीक्वेंस अरेंज किया. The third method that they have asked, let's refer the question first. The third method they have asked is the LS, that is the least slack method. Under least slack method we calculate the slack. Slack is the time between the time available and the time taken to complete the job. For example, if I have 10 days to complete a job and the work remaining is only 6 days, so my due date is after 10 days but I have work of only 6 days, so that difference between 10 and 6 will be called as the slack. The slack can be simply defined as So slack can be simply defined as the difference between the time taken and the time available. So we'll first calculate the time taken and the time available. So you can clearly observe there is no slack available in case of job B. Already we are short of 1 day, whereas there is no slack available for job E. So B and E will be placed at the most initial stage, and thereafter I will place the other jobs. So this will be my sequence, and this is the slack. सबसे कम slack -1, that will be for job B. Then 0, that will be for job E. Then 1, that will be for job A. Then 2, that will be for job C. And then 7, that will be for job D. So B, E, A, C, D, these are the 5 jobs, and they are arranged in the sequence of the slack available for each one of them. जहाँ पे slack सबसे कम होगा हम उसको सबसे पहला प्रेफरेंस देंगे क्योंकि उसको और डिले नहीं कर सकते, और जहाँ पे slack सबसे ज़्यादा होगा उसको हम लास्ट प्रेफरेंस देंगे because there is ample time available. The fourth method that we are going to discuss, this is my fourth method. It is SFT. SPT is nothing but the shortest processing time, and LPT, that is the last method, will be longest processing time. So under this method, we will give the preference to those jobs at the initial stage which takes less time, and we will focus on the jobs with the higher duration at the later stage. So in the present case, I will place job D, then we have job B, then we have job C, then job E, and last but not the least, job A. So this is the sequence: D, B, C, E, and A. Next we are asked the last one, that is longest processing time. If you look carefully at the time taken by these jobs, सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है जॉब नंबर ए को, तो हम सबसे पहले प्लेस करेंगे जॉब ए को. एक बार ये प्लेस हो गया, नेक्स्ट हाईएस्ट ड्यूरेशन इज ई, इसके बाद नेक्स्ट हाईएस्ट इज सी, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट हाईएस्ट इज बी, and last but not the least it will be D. So this is based on the longest processing time. So these were the 4 or 5 different methods that we discussed, based on which we can decide the sequence of a particular job or a particular activity. I hope you got this concept. This is only one of its type of some unique sum which we will not find in the overall syllabus or in the overall study material, except at one of the pages in the overall chapters. I hope you got the whole thing clear. This is very important from exam point of view. It is very easy. It's not difficult. You won't find it too difficult to solve in the exam. Only thing you need to remember is that you should know the method. You should remember the method that should be followed for the given problem in the question itself. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel Ekeeda.